I'm at Akihabara Station over here, and we're gonna go shopping, but I have been shopping already. As you can see, these are some big bags, and I don't want to carry them around. So we're going to put them in one of the lockers here. These are all over the stations, like all over Tokyo, and it's really easy. You can either pay with your Pasmo card, which looks like that, or you can pay with cash or coins. So I'm actually gonna put a bill in there. So we're gonna pick our language first. Do English. See how it's a lot easier, especially if you don't speak any Japanese, and then you can change it to whatever language you want, and then you're gonna check it in. But first, you're going to see what's in use. And you can see the different prices too. The bigger ones, 500, smaller ones, 400. And if they have red on the sides,
please put the baggage in the box. Then push the door to close.
that means they're busy, and the thing's gonna talk to you. So, okay.
We're gonna do the little one underneath.
You're gonna do the little one.
Yep.
So it's gonna be this one. Oh, and somebody left
Oh,
Somebody left trash.
Please put the baggage in the box. Then push the door to close.
We're gonna jam it in there.
Please start checking procedures.
Okay.
Following the instruction on the screen.
All right. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna pick that one. Confirm. And we're going to do cash because we're now paying with the Suica card or the Pasmo. So cash. It's gonna be 400 yen. Oh, and this is the other thing. We didn't notice this before. They have a little door.
Please pay the amount shown on the screen.
There you go.
You will need the receipt to take out your baggage. Please thank you for using.
Keep these receipts. There's going to be a number on the bottom so you can open it up when you want to take your bag out. And when you want to take it out, you press that button. Taking it out, you type in this code, and it's done. Super easy. So if you shop too much like I do, you can stuff it in one of these, and you can buy bigger lockers or smaller lockers. And there's even bigger ones in other stations. So it's pretty easy here in Tokyo. There's bigger ones. Let me show them to you. Look at those. So they fit a large bag in there. Like they're actually really, really deep. Let's see. None of these are open.
That's
See,
fine.
some of them are bigger too. Look at those. Even though this is not the long one,
So
but it's
like
still
600
pretty deep.
yen, you can put a full-size suitcase plus
And
a couple other things.
You can use it for 3 days.
Yeah.
So it's actually a really good idea if you're going to be shopping for a while or you're going to be at the airport for a while. So lockers are great here and they're everywhere.